Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you play Fortnite for beginners on Nintendo Switch. First, head to the Nintendo eShop to download the game, which is completely free. Once installed, you'll need to create or log into your Epic Games account. Take a moment to explore the settings menu and customize your controls to ensure a comfortable and efficient gameplay experience right from the start. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth entry into the game. Mastering the basic controls is your next step. Use the left joystick to move your character around the map, while the right joystick allows you to control your camera view and look around. Press the button to jump over obstacles or reach higher ground, and the B button to crouch, which can help you stay hidden. For combat, use the ZR button to shoot your weapon and the ZL button to aim precisely at your targets. Looting is essential for survival. As you explore, pick up various weapons, shield potions, and healing items. Efficiently organize your inventory for quick access during intense battles. Pay attention to weapon rarities, ranging from common to legendary, as higher rarities offer better stats. Remember to consume shield potions to boost your defenses and medkits to restore your health, keeping you in the fight longer against your opponents. Building is a unique and powerful mechanic in Fortnite. Learn to quickly construct walls, ramps, floors, and cones to create instant cover or gain a height advantage. Practice editing these structures to outsmart your opponents. Always keep an eye on the shrinking storm circle and move towards the safe zone to avoid taking damage. Engage in combat strategically, utilizing your builds and surroundings to secure Victory Royale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.